once again, welcome back to another one of my videos. And in today's video, as you guys can see, we are going to be cleaning up. Right. We're going to be cleaning up this big old mess. As you can see, the house is a mess. But we're about to get this cleaned up for you guys. So if you are interested, just go ahead and stay tuned. And if you are new here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment your suggestions down below. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you leave. Let's get right into it. This is probably the saddest part of the video because I had literally just got this plant and I wanted to be nice and let Chloe run around while I was gone. But as you can see, she knocked over the plant, dirt all everywhere. She tore up some aluminum foil in the kitchen and then tore up some tissue in the hallway. Like, I can't win. Whoever said getting a dog was better than having a baby definitely lied. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. If y'all liked it and you stayed to this point, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out so much. And don't forget to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know your favorite Bath & Body Works candle. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.